Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, zaptest.com. The first testing method is behavior-driven development, BDD. BDD encourages communication between the various project stakeholders. This communication process helps everyone involved understand all features before the development phase. With BDD, Agile testers, developers, and analysts create realistic scenarios to help with the communication process. They will write these scenarios following the gherkin given when then format. At its core, the format underlines how each feature works in different scenarios with different parameters. BDD allows the Agile testing team to create scenarios based on predictions and assumptions about where the features might fail, allowing them to make improvements before the development phase. You will notice this method is similar to test-driven development, TDD, with the main difference that this Agile method tests for complete functionality, while TDD tests for single elements. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.